beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this beauty wood, a neighborly day for a beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a neighbor just like you. I've always wanted to live in a neighborhood with you, so let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, we might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? Won't you please? Won't you please? Please won't you be my neighbor?
Nice fucking stop!
What?
Stop sign. So while I started a YouTube channel, I started this channel, well, mainly I got the GoPro was insurance reasons to start at first, and then before I bought the bike, I was watching tons of content and other moto vloggers just to see, and I followed Blockhead's channel because he had an Iron 883 and I was thinking about getting something similar, and you know, I decided to go a step up. I went to the 1200 and I bought a brand new bike. I wanted ABS and the key fob, so that was kind of hard to find used. I mean, there was a few around, but none that really were close by, and I'd have to drive all the way up there with a trailer because I didn't have my license at the time. I mean, I guess I could have rode dirty and just rode the bike. So, but regardless, I'm heading to the dealership today for their Toad Fest. It's also one of the first stops on the tour for the Grand Tour of Texas that I have going on this year. Easy, quick, it's close to the house, so that works out for me. But it's something for me to give back to the guys that created content that, you know, really inspired me to get out there and ride. You know, I admit sometimes I'm a keyboard warrior because I spend most of my time behind the keyboard for work, and I really need to get outside more. And I'm not really the camping type, although I'm going to try and do the moto camping later this summer when it's not tornado season. Still getting my gear together for that. Been chatting back and forth with Moto Camp Nerd on possible setups that I'm going with. Some things I already own just in general in my emergency kit, so. But I'm trying to get a positive experience, enjoy the ride, and hopefully bring some new people out there as well. And you don't need to buy a Harley. The way I look at it is I bought a Harley because it's something I wanted as a kid. I worked at a car dealership with my dad for years, just doing odd stuff. I used to mow their grass in the summer when I was in high school, and you know, that gave me a lot of experience in the automotive world, buying a car, because my dad told me the ins and outs and what to watch out for, and don't get scammed with this, and you don't need Scotch Guard, things like that. So, seeing Harley Davidson get traded in for a Toyota was something I didn't really expect to see, but it happened. So there's that, and you know, growing up I was into the import car scene, making your little Toyotas and Hondas go faster, throwing rims and audio into a car, and you know, I had to point in my life where I don't need that. I lost a lot of my hearing from that too. I could make a budget sound system when I was in my 20s, and you would be surprised what I had in the car. You would think I spent $4 or $5 grand, and really it was a $600 audio setup, and it sounded awesome. I even had people give me kudos from the local audio stores, that's impressive for what you did. And it's true, you can make anything work. It's just, you know, sometimes there's cheap products that aren't worth it. And I've learned the hard way with that with the Harley so far. I bought some products I'm not so proud of for holding my GoPros on, and some I am. So there's that. And like this audio setup with the helmet, like I have tried 15 different ways to get this damn thing to work, and at this point, you know, I got it to work yesterday, but the angle of the GoPro and using this this strap mount right here, it's a pain in the ass. So I'm gonna do something different, try it out. I lost my buddy Andy. He really needed to get out of the house too. It's been stressful at work. But one of the things I want to do is show people Texas, the different sides. Yeah, you can see Austin and Dallas, but there's a lot of small, cool little towns in Texas that nobody's ever heard of. I mean, we have a town called Ding Dong. I mean, not a lot of people know that. Asshole. Taking a nap. I wonder what's coming soon. Somebody's paving something. And hopefully you guys aren't getting too much wind noise. I think I got a solution for that too. Ooh, rock. That's not good.